Cartesian plane. Rectangular coordinate systems. This is also known as Cartesian plane. Is composed of two perpendicular number lines, x-axis or horizontal line, and y-axis vertical line that meet at the point 0, 0 called origin. The plane is divided into four regions called quadrants and composed of infinitely many points. Each quadrant has specific signs. Q1 or quadrant 1, thus the sign is positive and positive. Q2 or quadrant 2, the sign is negative, positive. Quadrant 3 or Q3 is negative and negative. And quadrant 4 or Q4, positive, negative. Each point in the coordinate system is defined by an ordered pair, x, y. Ordered pair is also known as coordinate of the points. The first coordinate or x-coordinate is called abscissa, and the second coordinate or y-coordinate is called ordinate. This is the Cartesian plane. So the x-axis is this one, the horizontal line. This is the origin, the 0. And the right horizontal line in the x-axis is positive numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it is extended. So when we say extended, that is infinite number of positive. And this is the left side of the x-axis from origin is negative numbers. We have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, until negative 7, and extended numbers of negative. So this is infinite negative numbers. This is the y-axis, the vertical line. So the upper one or the upward one is positive numbers. This is the origin. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and extended positive. The downward here is negative numbers. Okay, so this is a quadrant 1. When you say quadrant 1, you have the positive for x and positive for y. So it is positive x and positive y. And this is quadrant 2. We have negative for x and positive for y. That's why it's negative x and positive y. Quadrant 3, we have negative for x and negative for y. That's why it's negative and negative. Quadrant 4, this is positive for x and negative for y. That's why it's positive x and negative y. We have the examples here. Determine the quadrant in each of the given ordered pairs. So first we're going to identify what is the sign of the x and y. So to determine the quadrant, let's have number 1. For number 1, we have positive 1 and positive 4. As you can see, the 1 is positive and 4 is positive. Therefore, it is both positive, so that is quadrant 1. Next, number 2. Negative 3 for x and negative 2 for y. It is both negative, therefore, the quadrant is 3. Number 3. Positive 8 and negative 5. Positive 8 for x, negative 5 for y. Therefore, that is quadrant 4. Number 4. Negative 3 for x and positive 6 for y. Therefore, that's quadrant 2. -2 for x and 0. As you can see, we have 0. So if that one case we have 0, that is from origin. Therefore, we're going to answer is x-axis. Why is it x-axis? Just because we have the number for the x-axis. This is for x. And for number 6, we have 0 and 1. The x is 0, but the y, we have number. Therefore, the answer is y-axis. And if the answer is, if the given is 0 and 0, therefore that's origin. That's your answer. Okay, so we're going to do plotting. So this is the Cartesian plane. And we have the quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. As you can see, we have the x-axis and the y-axis. We have the right and left and upward and downward. So let's have this one. How to plot points in a Cartesian plane. For number 1, we have -6 and 2. -6 and 2. So that is quadrant 2. Now we're going to determine how to plot the points. And we have 6 units to the left and 2 units going up. What do you mean by that? So from origin, we have to count 6 units to the left. When you say left, that is for negative. When you say right, that is for positive. When you say up, that is for positive, for y. When you say down, that is for negative, for y. We have count 6 units to the left. So this is the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we're going 2 units going up because it's +2. 1, 2. Therefore, the point is here. Alright. So in shortcut, as you can see, you have -6 here and +2 here. So the intersections of these 2 points is in the middle one. So this is intersection. So you're going to put or write the point here. But when you're going to describe it, you have to show this one, the words, the answer for this one. 6 units to the left from the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 units to the left. Then 2 units going up because that's positive. 1, 2. So the point is here. Okay. Let's go number 2. 3 and 1. So 3 for x and 1 for y. 3x positive, that is right. 1 positive, that is up. So you have this. 3 units to the right and 1 units going up. So from origin, let's count 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3. And then going up, 1 units, 1. So therefore, we have the points here. Or in shortcut, this is +3 and this is +y for y. The intersections, are they going to meet each other in the center of this one? Alright, let's go on number 3. -2 and -2. -2 for x, that is left. -2 for y is downward. It's down. 2 units to the left and 2 units going down. So from origin, we have to do the first x. So 2 units to the left. 1, 2. And going down 2 units. 1, 2. Therefore, the answer is here. Or the shortcut, we have the x here, -2 and -2 for y. The intersection of this one is in this one, in the middle. And number 4, 0 and -5. 0 is this for origin and -5 is for y. So the y for axis is negative, is downward, going down. So 5 units going down. Let's count. This is for origin, and this is the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, that is the answer. Next, number 5. 5 and -5. So 5 is, for x is going to right, and -5 is going down. We have 5 units to the right and 5 units going down. So from the origin, we have going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 units going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is intersections. Or in shortcut, we have 5 here for x and y for -5. So the intersections, so they are meet each other here in the center. Number 6, 5 and 0. So 5 is for x, 0, that is the origin. So yeah, 5 units to the right. From the center, from the origin, we're going to count 5 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore, you have this answer. Okay, let's try. Plot the given point order pair in the Cartesian plane. Number 1, 3 and 6, both positive. So in quadrant, we have both positive, that is quadrant 1. So let's have this one. From the origin, so this is the quadrant 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the origin, we have 0 here. Then let's count 3 units to the right and 6 units to going up. 1, 2, 3. And going up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, we have this answer. So I show you the number first, the given. So let's have number 1. So this is the answer. 3 and 6. Or in shortcut, this is 3 for x and this is for y, positive 6. They meet each other at the point of this one. Okay, number 2, -1, -5. -1, that is for x, left, and -5 going down. This is the origin. It means -1's negative units to the left. 1. Then going down, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the intersections of -1 and -5. Number 3, 2 and -3. 2 positive, that's right. -3 is down, going down. So from the origin, we need to count 2 units. 1, 2 to the right. Then going down because it's negative. 1, 2, 3. So the intersection of this one is this. Number 4, 1 and negative 6. 1 positive is right, negative 6 is down. So from the origin, you have to count 1 unit to the right. 1. Then going down 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or in shortcut, with the intersections of 1, positive 1 for x, and negative 6 for y. That's 1 and negative 6. So last number is negative 4 and 0. So negative 4 is for x, and we have the origin. So it means that it is 4 units to the left. So from the 0, or from the origin, we need to count 4 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the answer. Alright. So this is the last one.